Alright, so I got the gimbal and the camera set up on the seat. I'll try not to wiggle around too much. The locking latch came apart because I didn't tighten that screw down far enough. So let's put this back together. And I gotta be careful not to drop the screw because it's the only one I have. Just going to get a little bit of this blue Loctite. Okay, so that can go in there like that. Which side does the screw go in? My left side. Oh yeah. This is going to be all kinds of fun. Alright, you can't see it, but I just got that little screw threaded. And it's tight. Phew, that was a pain. These little rubber bumpers, I think, are a little too tall, so I'll have to cut them down. That's super tight, and I don't want the little tooth to break. Yep, so I had to stop the video because I was fiddling with this thing for the past 10 minutes. So as soon as I got a couple of threads started, that's when I fired it back up. So that's fixed. I guess I'm gonna look for something else to fix on this truck. Thanks for watching my video.